we're back. Oh, what is this? Oh.
Bad.
It's the greater dog.
Bad.
Woof!
Okay. Alright. Oh, shoot.
Bark, bark.
I didn't expect that.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna pet him. Aw.
Oh.
And it wakes up. It's so excited.
Bark, bark. Barf, barf. Barf, barf.
Oh,
Greater
okay.
dog is patting the ground with its front paws. Beckon. Oh, okay.
Snowball to throw for the dog. It splats to the ground. He picks up all the snow in the area and brings it to you. The dog is very tired. It rests its head on you.
Bark, bark.
Shoot!
Shit!
Poop!
Poop!
Crap!
Gamma ovar.
It cannot end now. Kylie, stay determines.
Oh.
What was that? Let's do this again. Okay, dog.
Ooh.
Get my skills. Oh, can't touch.
Beckon.
Watch me. Ooh. Watch me. Ooh.
Dang.
Now want me whip.
Now want me
Nene. Now want me whip. Want me nene. Want me do it.
Want me do?
That's my favorite part of. Like, I don't like that song, but
It's
I
so
love
bad.
that line.
Now want me whip?
You know, that's the only song he's put out.
Really?
Also, his name is Silento. What kind of artist makes music and wants to be called Silento?
I don't know, but it's poor.
It's
poor.
not a good idea. You better mute that phone.
I'm gonna silence this.
Silence.
This.
Oh, it's not even your phone. It's your iPod.
It's my iPod that I used.
Pet capacity releases 100%.
Music on my iPod.
Your iPod, you should show us. You show us every episode.
Oh, jeez. Every episode?
You do.
That's
you do
true.
show us every
I
episode.
got show.
He wrote the music and
I
did like the opening and does all the art. Because I have no talent.
Oh, don't say that. Look, listen to your papyrus voice, you talented bleep.
It's okay.
Sorry.
You don't have to say bleep afterwards because I'm sure we'll just bleep it out regardless.
I'm sorry.
Now you made it obvious, and now I have to explain this to you on camera, Christian.
I love you, Richard. Aw.
Look at that butt.
Nice. Sweet ass.
Bridge. It's like that bridge from that movie. Terabithia.
Yeah.
Oh, forget about the same thing. Human! This is your final and most dangerous challenge.
Listen to that.
Behold.
Listen to
The
that.
gauntlet of deadly terror.
Jeez, you're so talented.
Thank you, Sans. When I say the word, it will fully activate.
Isn't my brother cool?
Cannons will fire, spikes will swing, blades will slice.
What a cool guy.
Each part will swing violently up and down. Only the tiniest chance of victory will remain. Are you ready? Because I am about to do it!
Well, what's the holdup?
Hold up? What hold up? I'm about to activate it now!
That, doesn't look very activated.
Well, this challenge, it seems maybe too easy to defeat the human with. Yeah, we can't use this one. I am a skeleton with standards. My puzzles are very fair, and my traps are expertly cooked. But this method is too direct, no class at all. Away it goes. Phew. What are you looking at? This was another decisive victory for Papyrus! Yeah! Heh. Heh? Skeleton Boyfriend 2015.
Yeah. I don't know what my brother's going to do now. If I were you, I would make sure I understand blue attacks.
Think of a yellow stop sign.
Yeah.
No, wait. Literally a blue stop sign, though. The site
boy.
is such a friendly town, fills you with determination.
Determination.
Town.
Save that game.
Look at that bunny!
Oh.
Excuse me, it's a bun lady. I hiccup.
Bless you.
You're welcome. Manly bandana. I'm gonna buy it. I need more debt. Def. Huh? Sell something? This looks like a pawn shop? Oh man! That's awesome!
Yeah.
That's so cool. They just They just completely denied, like, me wanting to go, like, do anything. That's great. Bandage. When did I get a bandage?
I don't know.
I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah.
Gross.
Dang.
Alright, I'm gonna save again.
Ooh, an inn. You should stay at the inn.
Should I?
Yeah. I don't see why not.
Mom says sleeping can recover your health above your maximum HP. What's that? Welcome to Snowdin. Snowdin's premier hotel. 1 night is 80 gold? No. God. Sorry, 80.
80? Oh, that bunny
Don't
is...
want to walk to the other side of the town? Try under snow tunnels. They're efficiently laid out.
Alright, try it.
Whoa!
Wow. That was fast.
It was. It was locked on the inside.
Dangert!
Danger. I'm gonna go back.
Whoa! That was really
That was
cool.
awesome.
Yeah, that was really cool.
That lady over there. Something about her disturbs me. Is she a rabbit walking a rabbit?
Maybe.
Isn't my little cinnamon just the cutest? Buns are so adorable to eat. Look at this baby.
It looks like
You're a
that
kid too.
Pokemon.
Pants.
Scrafty.
Pants. I can tell you because wearing a striped shirt. What? I wonder if that weird skeleton is an adult or a kid. Wait.
Papyrus?
Papyrus.
Is he an adult or a child?
Wait, what if Sans is the older one?
Sans isn't he?
What?
Is he not?
I didn't know. I assumed that Papyrus was taller, so he was the older one. And he says he'll take care of him.
I don't know.
Ah, what a beautiful knock. If I don't answer, I'll hear it again. Ah, my patience rewards me. That's great.
Oh,
To be young again. Monsters and humans, oh. Oh! The little rocks! Oh, that one is a hat. I thought it was a butterfly. That's cute.
This ain't no Earthbound.
Library.
Ooh. Is it like an Arby's?
Ooh.
Dude,
Welcome to the library. The sign is misspelled. Cool.
Dude, I've never had Arby's.
It's not a Canadian thing, right?
Yeah.
It's not a Canadian thing, right?
I think so.
Okay. It's in the States. It's fine. They got okay roast beef on a sandwich.
Nice.
Mailbox overflowing with red junk mail. This mailbox is labeled Papyrus.
Oh.
Look inside. It's empty.
Oh.
My baby.
That was an invasion of privacy.
It was.
You should not.
Here's
a shout out to all the people out there who don't know this, but don't look in other people's mailboxes. It's super not.
Do you see this?
What?
Hold on, wait, I'm gonna bring it back. The Ripley texture on the house.
Oh yeah, whoa.
Wow, that's weird.
That
It looks
is
really weird going off the screen.
Dag.
Look at that ice block. Why is it... I don't like this.
Yeah, me neither. Ooh. You should go back.
No.
No?
No. No.
This hurts my eyes.
It is a little jarring. Oh.
Did you ever see that? Pacific Rim?
I love Pacific Rim.
Really?
It's one of my favorite movies.
Alright.
Do you know why?
Why?
Because robots fight monsters.
That's true. They do that.
It's pretty good.
That is pretty good.
Human!
Oh, man.
Allow me to tell you about some complex feelings. Feelings like the joy of finding another pasta lover.
I think I know where this is going.
the admiration for another's puzzle-solving skills.
Oh yeah, I know where this is going.
The desire to have a cool, smart person think you are cool.
I think I've been in this situation.
These feelings, they must be what you are feeling right now.
Take the keyboard, Christian.
Alright.
Okay, next one.
I can hardly imagine what it must be like to feel that way. After all, I am very great. I don't ever wonder what having lots of friends is like. I pity you, lonely human. Worry not, you shall be lonely no longer. I, the great Papyrus, shall be your... No, this is all wrong. I can't be your friends. You are a human.
Ooh.
I must capture you. Then I can fulfill my lifelong dream. Powerful, popular, prestigious. That's Papyrus, the newest member of the Royal Guard.
Well,
I want to flirt with Papyrus. I'm gonna flirt.
maybe we should do it next time. We should press
Yeah,
stop.
we'll press pause here.
Yeah,
Press stop.
press stop.
It'll stop.
You think
I want
so?
to flirt with Papyrus.
I know you do. You really want to.
Oh, I didn't know he was gonna be my bone friendo.
Bro, check out my belly button. Oh, you touched my belly button. See, that's why I'm saying maybe not.
Yeah, let's. Yeah, let's. Yeah, let's. Yeah, let's. Yeah, let's.